Welcome to the Daily Digital. I'm Kate Murray. Learning how to use Facebook ads to retarget your audience is one of the most sought after strategies used by large corporations to increase both sales and brand awareness. And it's a strategy that works for small businesses too. In today's video, we are expanding just a little bit further on the topic of pixels. When you visit a website and then you see the exact product that you viewed a day or two later in your newsfeed, that's retargeting. Psychologically, buying habits are complex, but it's widely known that consumers are more likely to make a purchase if they see an item that they were previously considering again. According to research, brands in North America now spend 23% of their budget on marketing technology, and that equates to over 52 billion ad dollars a year in online advertising. So if big business can do this, so can you. Selecting and segmenting your specific target market is the most basic and important criteria of running a successful retargeting campaign because you don't want to target everyone who visited your website with the same ad. The way this works is you segment and group visitors into different categories according to their behaviors and the actions they take on your website. For example, you would configure the pixel to group website visitors into 3 different categories: those who visited your website, those who visited your website and added a product or service to their shopping cart but then closed their browser before they made the purchase, and finally, the people who visited your website and actually did make a purchase. Now that you've got your website visitors grouped into 3 distinct categories, you would simply configure a custom audience for each different ad. Let's use the people who made a purchase as an example. You wouldn't want them to scroll through their newsfeed and see the same ad for the product or service that they just bought. So, you need to use the custom audience feature inversely to target website visitors but exclude anyone who visited the thank you page URL because that means they already made a purchase. If you skipped over this step and targeted all of your website visitors with the same ad, they would keep seeing the ad for the product that they already purchased from you. It might make you seem like you don't know what you're doing with digital advertising. If you're interested in talking through this topic a little bit more or you need some help, schedule a consultation with me today or sign up for some Facebook ads training through my affiliate partner at the link in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hover over my name in the lower right-hand corner and click that subscribe button so you don't miss any tips on the Daily Digital.